Jonah. Happy sweet 16th birthday. We wish you the best. And this is from Vision Youth Unite Outreach 10. We want to say happy birthday. And may God bless you and favor you and your family more this year. And we love you. That is from Einstein. Kita mo nga, bakasyon ngayon, pero okay lang yan. Pwede rin naman magparamdam through YouTube and Facebook, diba? Ayun, okay lang no, sayang no, wala ka rito, break ngayon, di mo man lang kami napakain, di mo man lang kami binigyan ng pagkain, kahit puto man lang. Pero okay lang yan, nabubusog naman kami sa joy na sinishare mo sa amin sa classroom din, joke. Happy birthday! I pray that God blesses you more this year and ayun, ingat ka lagi. Laging mag-pray and always be a joy and a blessing sa lahat ng nagsasurround sa iyo, lalo na sa family, and just know that we love you very much. Ingat! God bless! Bye-bye!